Okay, so we're gonna see how these cards come out. I wanna say, like I mentioned in the first video, if you haven't watched it yet, go watch it. The pink box and this galaxy blocks. This galaxy box are, I don't know. Well, I guess we're gonna find out if they're the same series or not. There's usually a pack of 20. Okay. So you guys, Anime Dad says I cut my cards like the way Kendall Jenner cuts cucumbers. It's away. You cut away. Okay, that was, okay, away. Ah, Minato Aqua. That's cute. Whoa, nice bazonga zongs. Just a reminder, my channel is for mature audiences only. Cause oh, but I like this little ice cream cat duty doo down there. Okay. Oh, Cirrus Fauna. She's cute. Ooh, remember Anime Dad? I was telling you about these outline ones. These are rare. Mm. It's just like a black and white outline. Oh man, yeah, that's a good one. Already, it's gonna make me want to open the other box I have of this. I have two of these, and I have two of the pink box from the other video, which is my first video. Okay, just gonna cut how I want to cut. Ugh, okay. Grr. Here we go. Okay, slice. All right. Ooh. Oh, these are the. I'm gonna get the cards I want. I can already tell. The ice cream. Oh, that pink hair. One. Nozomi. Nozomi-chan. Yes. I think this is. Ooh, this is one of the ones I wanted. But I mean, she's cute. Cute white-haired one. Let's see. We're gonna make sure I'm opening them on the right, upright side. Mihono bourbon. I don't know how to pronounce that one. Oh. These are nice because they're all pretty much hologram. Yay, popsicle girl. Um, I think I bought her, but she's nice to have another duplicate of. So I can keep one and sell one. Okay. Cut, cut, cut. Slice it open. Can't remember if we got this one already. Yeah, okay. Yeah, these two are duplicates. This one is not. Whoa. Yeah, I like this one. She's cute. Ooh, cute. Oh, wait. This is a dupe. Pains. Henrich. Okay. Whoa. Ooh. I've seen this one. She's a UR, ultra rare. I think she goes for a pretty penny. So I'll have to price check that one. I think these are kind of similar, or at least I don't know. Pretty happy with these, I'd have to say. And I haven't even finished the pack, not even halfway. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I've heard of this one. Oh, I think this one's rare. Langley. She's a CP. CP is a good sign. What does CP stand for? I don't know. If anyone knows, please tell me in the comments. I know SR, SSR, that means super, super, super rare. Okay. Oh, the cat ears. Joan of Arc. Oh, nice pink hair. More pink hair. Water gun girl. She's nice. She's popular. Ultra rare. Yay. Glad I didn't buy her. She was on my wish list, though, but now I have her. And we'll probably get duplicates of that one and Lollipop Girl, from what I remember. Seeing other people open up their packs. Here's the dupe. This is a new one. This one before, okay. Dupe, 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 doopity doop. Okay. This one's got small boobies, but they're nice. This one has no boobies. This one has them just right. Whoa. There's bigger ones. Melons. As soon as I said melons, there's the lady with the melon right behind her. Melons. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, okay. Sorry, it's ruined. You just have to cut it this way. Okay. Oh. Okay. Duplicate. Duplicate. I don't know. I don't think we've seen this one. This one's new. And this one's cute. I like her baseball hat. Come on. This is around the time we get something sweet. Oh. Purple. Another one. Oh, another one. Another one. Ah, okay. Like, so in the other video, I was talking about making a board game or a card playing game out of this, and people are just kind of being babies about it and saying, what if it, no, it'll ruin the cards. I mean, oh, it's cute. A frappuccino skittatch with her frappuccino on top of her boobs. Boing. Okay. Oh, Nozomi again. Oh, this one's cute. She's ultra rare. Wonder how much she goes for. Hmm. Oh, another skittatch. Skittatch. Okay, yes. This one's named Mouth Fragrance. Okay. And this lovely again. Okay. So weird. Let's see. Nanashi Monet. Yeah, she's okay. Oh, she's nice. Okay. Bikini girl. No machine guns. Just bikini. Oh, yes. Move. Yeah. Pains. This one. Okay, she's a duplicate. She is water gun girl. Yay! Now I have two of them. Okay. But I think in my game, if you have duplicates, that's actually better. Because that's a way to power up your character. As many duplicates as you get, that's how many points damage you can dish out. Let's see, oh, oh, okay. Um, That's a nice design. Come on, I'm itching for something exciting here. Or maybe I won't open my second box of this one and I can just auction off my other box. Okay. Oh, that's a cute little bra. Blondie. Another blondie. Nozomi, but she's wearing a different outfit. Oh, cat girl. Ultra rare cat girl. That's a cute one. Okay, we got 3 here. This is 1 out of 3. Ah, this lady again. Goodness, what am I gonna do with this one? So many dupes. But that is a nice little outfit she's got on. She's lucky. This one again. This one again. Yep, yep. Hey, swimsuit girl. Okay, that's a little exciting. Swimsuit girl is exciting. She doesn't really go for much right now, but I think she will later. My nail almost popped off. Okay. Nozomi, whoever this lady is, she looks nice. Let's get that again, and a frappuccino. Hey, another rare outliney card. Oh no, but it's got a little crease over here. That means it's worth nothing. I'm sure. Oh my god. See, I didn't want to be one of those people that complains about the cards like that, but I just did it. I just did it. If it wasn't rare, maybe I wouldn't feel a certain way about it, but because it's a rare one that I have like see it made me malfunction. I went beep 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 beep. And the last card is Bazongas. They're all Bazongas pretty much. Let's see more Bazongas. Same ones. This lady to death. Prince Henrich. And Popsicle Girl. What an ending. She's pretty hot. Popsicle Girl. Let's see. Like I said, that was pretty interesting. But maybe I wouldn't open my second box.
Give it up.